Oh, so you're gonna do AB for yours, and I'm gonna do AB for mine, so we can have two measurements for each. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, so this is where I'm gonna hold the cells for counting. So first thing I'll do is to mix it well, and I use P1000, and kind of like a good practice to just put some bleach in the bucket to kill off any potential contaminant right away.
Yeah, you were saying around 200, yeah?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. It's the 10%.
Yeah. So 1 ml. So I just basically like spray the wells a few times, and that will give this well of cells a good mix. And also wash off any cells that are stuck to the bottom. Okay, so that well is well mixed. And then taking again, so it's 11 plus 11, so I'm just gonna take 2 samples using a filter tip. So this is a filter tip that's not filtered. So I take it from the middle. That's 1 sample. That's another sample.
You get an 11 of each, right?
Yeah, 11, and then I use the same capacity, 11 microliter, and
But
do the
without the
Trypan
filter?
Blue. So you mix it.
And warm it a little bit.
Yeah, so you can just warm it in your hand, so
Yeah.
hopefully it's not
Perfect.
too solidified. So I got 1 here. So I'm right now using unfiltered tip because I don't have to be sterile right now. Like the cells are not going into culture for the
Right.
counting.
Right. Nice.
Okay, so these one can be counted now.
You just turn it on. Oh, you.
Yeah, whenever you push anything in or push anything out, it will register that you are trying to use it. So it will turn itself on. It's always on.
Got it.
And this one goes to the red bin. Okay, so right now we can see this is the CD55 of for total line viability. So this one is 8.48. E5, this is 7.27. E5, 86%. Okay, and then you count the other side. Of these two, we want the light cells number. So where's the calculator? Okay. Guess I have to bring it in.
I can calculate.
0.27.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply. We're just averaging.
Yeah,
Okay. So
just-
we're gonna do
just do
727 plus
5.7.
5.7, and that's variance is normal, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
And then divide by 2.
Okay, so now I have 6.485 cells per mil. So that's how much I've got. So what I want to do is, so the maximum I want to stay in, I kind of want to stay between like 200 to 500,000. And so since this number right now it's 648, so this is the number right now, cells per mil. And I want, if I want this number, I will almost have to take a whole mil out of it. So let's go for this number here. So if I do 200 divide 200,000 divided by 648.00, and then I will get times 1 mil. So what is the, so 200,000 divided by 648,000. Yeah, 308, 307. Okay, so 0.307. So I see. So basically, we need to take 0.307 mils to give us 200,000 cells. How can I fit that? Yeah, so I can't fit the whole thing across just into one well. So I'm gonna do 2 wells. Okay, so each well on the V bottom plate can hold roughly 200 microliters. So this is too big of a volume to fit into one well, so I'm gonna just split that into like 150 over 2 wells. Does it make sense?
150.
Yeah, so basically like roughly it will be equal to 300 when I take both, and then we just put the cells in into 2 wells here and stain them for CD55.
And then we'll get a bit less than 200,000.
Yeah, yeah, but this should be fine. And then so I want you to do exactly the same recording, and then we'll do the calculation for the other well as well.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.